Hello everyone, welcome to FG Lockit channel. In this video, we will be discussing UGC NET Law June 2023 PYQs. If you want PYQs of UGC NET and other competitive exam, then you can visit our website sortmylawschool.com and download it for free of cost. Let's begin with our first question. Section 28 of Indian Forest Act 1927 provides for option number 3, village forests. Next question. In the light of which of the following articles of the Constitution of India the Environment Protection Act 1986 was enacted? Option number 4, Article 253. Next question. Match the following. Equal justice and free legal aid. Article 39A. Promotion of corporate society. Article 43B. Living wages for workers. Article 43. Uniform Civil Code for Citizens. Article 44. So, answer will be option number 3. Next question. Assertion. Rights to pollution-free air and clean water are attributes of right of a dignified life. Correct? These rights are the basic elements that sustain the life. Correct? So answer will be option number 1 as the reason is the correct explanation of assertion. Next question. Assertion. The polluter pays principle says that the absolute liability for harm to environment extends not only to compensate the victims of pollution but also the cost of restoring the environment degradation. Correct? The case MC Mehta versus Kamalnath and others has decided so. Wrong. ये decide हुआ था Vellore Citizen Welfare Forum versus Union of India 1996 में. So answer will be option number 3. A is correct but R is not correct. अब आप आगे की स्लाइड्स में जितना भी रेड के अंदर पार्ट देखेंगे वो क्वेश्चन पेपर का पार्ट नहीं है, वो सिर्फ आपके रिवीजन के लिए ऐड किया गया डाला गया है ताकि आपको क्लियर हो जाए कि क्वेश्चन का जो आंसर है वो क्या कहता है. क्योंकि कई बार जो क्वेश्चंस हैं वो केस से रिलेटेड होते हैं, केसेस के ईयर बताने होते हैं, उनको क्रोनोलॉजिकल ऑर्डर में लगाना होता है या सेक्शंस पता होने बहुत जरूरी है, तो सिर्फ रिवीजन पर्पज से ये एड ऑन किया गया है. Next question. Resale share right in original copies under Section 53A of Copyright Act 1957 is not applicable to option number 4, cinematograph film. Next question. Voyeurism for a second or subsequent conviction attracts a punishment of option number 3, imprisonment not less than 3 years but which may extend to 7 years and fine. Section 354C in IPC talks about voyeurism and Section 77 in BNS Act. Next question. With respect to muta marriage among Muslims, which of the following are correct? Spouses have no right of mutual inheritance even if one of the spouses dies when if muta is subsisting. Correct. The husband has no right of talaq though the parties are free to terminate it by mutual consent. Correct. The children of muta marriage are illegitimate. Wrong, they are legitimate. So answer will be option number 4. Both 1 and 2 are correct. Muta marriage is a temporary marriage and has a fixed duration in Muslims. Next question, match the following. Restitution of conjugal rights, Section 9 of Hindu Marriage Act 1955. Judicial separation, Section 10. No petition for divorce within 1 year of marriage, Section 14. Voidable marriage, Section 12. So answer will be option number 2. Next question. Which of the following schedules of the National Green Tribunal Act provides for the heads of the compensation? It's option number 2, Schedule 2nd. Next question. Assertion. Multilateral treaties which declare the established customary international law may bind even non-parties. Correct. Article 38 of Vienna Convention makes an exception to Article 34 or 37 of Vienna Convention. Correct. So answer will be option number 1 as R is the correct explanation of A. Next question. Assertion. From functional point of view, an administrative tribunal is neither exclusive a judicial body nor exclusively an administrative body, but is somewhat between two. Correct? An administrative tribunal is not bound by strict rules of evidence and procedure. Correct? Answer will be option number 1 as R is the correct explanation of A. Next question. Under Article 51 of the Constitution of India, the state is directed to endeavor to promote international peace and security, correct? Maintain just and honorable relations between nations, correct? Foster respect for international law and treaty obligations, correct? Protect and improve environment and to safeguard forest, wrong. ये आर्टिकल 48A में आता है. Encourage settlement of international disputes through arbitration, correct? So answer will be option number 2. Next question. In case of tort of trespass, which of the following defense shall not apply? Is option number 2, contributory negligence. Next question. Arrange the correct sequence in which an application for grant of patent will be considered. Opposition under section 25(2) of the Patents Act 1970, publication of application, filing of claims, request for examination, grant of patents. So sequence will be filing of claims, publication of application, request for examination, grant of patents, and opposition under section 25(2) of Patents Act 1970. So answer will be option number 3. Next question. The following is known as to safety net of international humanitarian law. It's option number 4, Maritim's Clause. Next question. The Estrada Doctrine was propounded by Estrada, who was the Foreign Minister of Mexico. Option number 3. Next question. Under which of the following principles is the polluter pay principle is envisaged? Principle 16, Rio Declaration 1992. Answer will be option number 3. Next question. The preamble of the UN Charter says, "We the peoples of the United Nations." Correct? The preamble of UN Charter says, "We the people of United Nations." Wrong. UN Charter में "We the peoples" लिखा हुआ है, not "We the people." So this statement B is wrong. Maintenance of international peace and security is the primary responsibility of Security Council. Correct? Maintenance of international peace and security is primary responsibility of General Assembly. Wrong. Maintenance of international peace and security is the primary responsibility of the International Court of Justice. Wrong. Choose the most appropriate answer from the options given below. So answer will be option number 2. Next question. The following fall under Chapter 4 General Exceptions of IPC. In BNS Act, Section 14 to Section 44 are general exceptions. Statement A. Act done by a person bound or by mistake of fact believing himself to be bound by law. Correct? It's Section 76 in IPC. Act of judge when acting judicially. Correct? Section 77 IPC. Omission to assist public servant when bound by law to give assistance. Wrong. International resistance or obstruction by a person to his lawful apprehension. Wrong. Accident in doing a lawful act. Correct. Section 80 IPC. So answer will be option number 4. Next question. Under the Hindu Succession Act 1956, heirs of the Hindu male fall under following heads. Class 1 heirs, correct. Class 2 heirs, correct. Shares, wrong. Agnates, correct. Cognates, correct. So answer will be option number 3. Next question. Who made the following statement? Large part and as many would add the best part of law of England is a judge-made law. That is to say, consist of rules to be called the judgments of the court. Option number 1, Dicey. Next question. To constitute a tort. Statement 1. There must be some act or omission on the part of the defendant. Correct. Statement 2, the act or omission should result in legal damage. Correct. So answer will be option 1. Both statement 1 and statement 2 are correct. Next question. Mr. X handovers a machine to Y, a common carrier, to deliver without any delay to mill of Mr. X. Y unreasonably delays the delivery of the machine despite being informed that the mill is locked due to lack of machine. As a consequence, Mr. X lost a government contract. He is entitled to receive compensation that includes the average amount of a profit which he would have made during the time for which delivery was delayed, but not the loss sustained through the loss of the government contract. Correct? Compensation for the loss or damage caused by breach of contract is not to be given for any remote and indirect loss or damage sustained due to breach. Correct. So answer will be option number 1, as R is the correct explanation of A. Next question, which of the following are fundamental rights? Right not to remain employed. Wrong. Right not to remain uneducated. Correct. It's right to education, Article 21A. Right not to remain unmarried. Wrong. Right not to be killed without trial. Correct. Right not to change religion. Correct. So answer will be option number 1. Next question, with respect to valid conditions of Hindu marriage, Section 5 of Hindu Marriage Act 1955, which of the following are true? Neither party has a spouse living at the time of marriage, correct. Mental capacity, correct. Ceremonies of marriage, wrong. Ceremonies of marriage Section 7 में mention है, ना कि Section 5 में. Parties are not within the prohibited degree, correct. No impotency, wrong. So answer will be option number 2. Next question, match the following. Eastern Book Company, minimum of creativity test. Bayer Corporation, compulsory license of patents. R.G. Anand, idea expression. N.R. Dongre, prior use test. So answer will be option number 2. Next question. International law recognizes general duty of state in respect of extradition. Wrong. International law does not recognize general duty of state in respect of extradition. Correct. Extradition depends on the provision of existing extradition treaties. Correct. Countries may grant extradition without treaty. Correct. Customary international law governs extradition. Wrong. So answer will be option number 4. Next question. Asha, a journalist employed, writes a story in the newspaper. Deepak makes film based on the story. Raghu and Rekha plays the lead role in the film. The dance in the film is choreographed by Ajay. Asha is the author of literary work. Correct. Proprietor of the newspaper has copyright on the story in the absence of contract regarding copyright. Wrong. Asha has the copyright, not a proprietor. Proprietor of the newspaper has only publication rights. Correct. Raghu and Rekha have performers right. Correct. Ajay is the author of musical work. Wrong. Ajay is the author of choreographed work, not musical work. So answer will be option number 2. Next question. The strict adherence to the rule of locus standi was diluted first in option number 3, Ratlam Municipal Council versus Vardhichand 1980. Next question. International law or the law of the nation is the name of the body of rules which, according to the usual definition, regulate the conduct of states in their intercourse with one another. Who said it? It's option number 4, Kelson. Next question. Who wrote the book Concept of Law? It's option 4, H.L. Hart. Next question. Which of the following is true with regards to Iddat period? Iddat of widowhood is 4 months and 10 days, correct? The period of Iddat begins from the date when she comes to know of divorce and not from the date when divorce is pronounced. Wrong. It begins when the divorce is pronounced. If the marriage is irregular and is consummated, the wife is under obligation to observe Iddat, correct? If the wife observe Iddat, husband is bound to maintain the wife during period of Iddat, correct? In case the wife is pregnant, period of iddat extends till the date of delivery of the child. Correct. So answer will be option number 2. Next question, which of the following case is popular known as Taj trapezium case? It's option number 1, MC Mehta versus Union of India, 1997. Next question, recognition de jure is final and once given cannot be withdrawn. Correct. Recognition de jure is not final. Wrong. De facto recognition may be withdrawn. Correct. Withdrawal of recognition by a state because that state has ceased to be state. Wrong. Retroactive recognition of a new government does not invalidate the act of previous de jure government. Correct. So answer will be option number 1. Next question. Which one of the following is not covered by the schools of jurisprudence? Option number 4. The critical school. Next question. The Motor Vehicle Act 2019 has amended the following act. Option number 1. The Motor Vehicle Act 1998. Next question. Indicate the chronological order of the following. Treaty of Westphalia 1648, Kellogg-Briand Port 1928, Brussels Conference 1927, Convention of the Statutes of Refugee 1951, Montevideo Convention 1933. So answer will be option number 4. Next question. Match the following. Role of specialty, extradition, Paquity, Havana, Importance of Works of Jurists, Barcelona, Traction, Equity and Justice, Nicaragua versus USA, Source of international law are not hierarchical. So answer will be option number 1. Next question. Which is the correct chronological order, old to new, of the following judgments on appointment and transfer? S.P. Gupta versus Union of India 1982, Shakal Chand Seth versus Union of India 1976, स्पेशल रेफरेंस नंबर 1 ऑफ 1998. इसका जजमेंट जो है वो 1999 में आया था. सुप्रीम कोर्ट एडवोकेट्स ऑन रिकॉर्ड एसोसिएशन वर्सेस यूनियन ऑफ इंडिया 1993. सो आंसर विल बी ऑप्शन नंबर 2. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. मैटर्स कवर्ड अंडर लिस्ट 1 ऑफ द शेड्यूल 7 ऑफ द कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन. शेड्यूल 7 जो है वो यूनियन लिस्ट की बात करता है. फॉरेन लोन्स इंक्लूडेड, पब्लिक हेल्थ नो, स्टेट में आता है ये. एटॉमिक एनर्जी यस, पब्लिक ऑर्डर फिर स्टेट में आता है. इंश्योरेंस यस. सो आंसर विल बी ऑप्शन नंबर 2. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. द कॉर्पोरेट सोशल रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी कमिटी ऑफ द कंपनी कैरीज आउट द फॉलोइंग फंक्शन. अपॉइंटमेंट ऑफ एन इंडिविजुअल और अ फर्म एज एन ऑडिटर. रॉन्ग. To recommend a CSR policy, correct. To recommend the amount of expenditure for the indicated activities, correct. To inspect the books of accounts during business hours, wrong. To monitor CSR policies of the company from time to time, yes. So answer will be option number 3. Next question. Indicate the chronological order in which the following cases were decided. Fisheries Jurisdiction Merit Case 1974, Island of Palmas Arbitration Case 1928, Nuremberg Judgment 1946, Right of Paying. ये पेइंग नहीं है, ये पैसेज है. जब इसका हिंदी ट्रांसलेशन देखा गया तब पता चला इंग्लिश पेपर में यही लिखा हुआ था. राइट ऑफ पैसेज ऑन इंडियन टेस्टिंग केस 1960, SS Lotus Case 1927. So answer will be option number 3. Next question. Which of the following legal maxims is not related to tort? It's option number 4. Pari delicto. Pari delicto का मतलब होता है equal in fault. Urbi jus irbi remedium का मतलब होता है where is right there is remedy. Voluntary non-fit injuria का मतलब होता है voluntary taking injury. Res ispa liquidator का मतलब होता है things speaks for itself. Next question. Assertion. Article 38(2) of the Statute of the ICJ states that provision in Article 38(1) shall not prejudice the power of the court a case ex quito et bono if parties agree thereto. Ex quito et bono enables the court to decide upon consideration of fair dealings and good faith, which is independent or even contrary to law. Both the statements are correct. So answer will be option number 1 as R is the correct explanation of A. The maxim ex equito it bono का मतलब होता है according to right and good. Next question. In order to convert a proposal into promise, the acceptance must be absolute, unqualified, no conditional, random नहीं होनी चाहिए, expressed in some usual and reasonable manner. Correct. So answer will be option number 3. Next question. The owner of copyright of sound recording has which one of the following right under section 14E of Copyright Act 1957? It's option number 3 to communicate the sound recording to the public. Next question. The bailment of goods as security for payment of debt or performance of a promise is called pledge. Option number 4. Section 172 इंडियन कॉन्ट्रैक्ट एक्ट इंडेमनिटी जो है सेक्शन 124 में है, गारंटी जो है वो सेक्शन 126 में है. Next question. The International Bank for Reconstruction and Development is also called World Bank. Correct. The International Bank for Reconstruction and Development is also called International Monetary Fund. Wrong. The Dunklin Draft Act embodies the result of the Tokyo Round. Wrong. The WTO provides for secretariat headed by the Director General. Correct. The WTO provides for secretariat headed by the Secretary General. Wrong. So answer will be option number 4. Next question. According to Article 80 of the Constitution of India, the representative of each state in the Council of States are elected by option 3. Elected members of the Legislative Assembly of the state in accordance with the system of proportional representation by means of the single transferable votes. Next question. Article 15 of the Constitution of India, special provisions can be made. Women and children. Article 15 clause 3 में शेड्यूल्ड ट्राइब्स इकोनॉमिकली वीकर सेक्शन सोशली बैकवर्ड क्लासेस ये सब आर्टिकल 15 क्लॉज 4 में मेंशन है. सो आंसर विल बी ऑप्शन नंबर 3. Next question. Which of the following can be registered as trademark under Trademark Act 1999? Rasoi for hydrogenated oil. Wrong. Jumri Talaiya for pens. Correct. Bank for banking service. Wrong. Square shape for tires. Correct. Obscene matters. Things. Wrong. So answer will be option number 3. Next question. In which case the principle of prospective overruling was laid down? Option number 2, IC Golaknath versus State of Punjab. Next question. Indicate the chronological order in which the following cases were decided. Elkerman's case, 1961. Anglo-Norwegian fishery case, 1951. Anglo-Iranian oil company case, 1952. Crozo factory case, 1928. Western Sahara case, 1975. So answer will be option number 2. Next question. Match the following. Natural guardians of Hindu minor. Section 6. Powers of natural guardian. Section 8. Testimony guardians and their powers. Section 9. Welfare of minors to be paramount consideration. Section 13. So answer will be option number 2. Next question. The theory of separation of powers is created to option number 3 Montesquieu. Next question. Following essentials are to be fulfilled for death to be called dowry death under section 304B of IPC. Section 80 of BNS Act covers dowry death. Death of a woman within 10 years of marriage. Wrong. It's 7 years of marriage. Fact of cruelty or harassment by her husband for or in connection with any demand of dowry. Correct. Fact of cruelty or harassment by any relative of her husband for or in connection with any demand of dowry. Correct. Death of a woman within 7 years of her marriage. Correct. Dowry shall have the same meaning as in section 2 of Dowry Prohibition Act 1961. Correct. So answer will be option number 2. Next question. Which of the following theories of punishment provides that crime is disease and the object should be to cure disease? It's option number 2, reformative theory. Next question, which of the following is correct? The only right which any man can possess is the right always to his duty. Is Duguid's theory correct? Social solidarity, a natural principle, is given by jurist Greek. Wrong. ये भी Duguid ने दिया था. Pound. Legal philosophy is utilitarian. Wrong. ये utilitarian theory जो है वो बेंथम ने दी थी. Austin said law is social engineering. Wrong. ये Pond ने कहा था. So answer will be option number 1. Next question. The grand function of the law of nature was discharged in giving birth to modern international law. Who said it? Option number 2, Henry Maine. Next question. Match the following. Asymmetric crypto system, digital signature. Rome Convention, neighboring rights. Paris Convention 1883, industrial property. Madrid Protocol, trademark. So answer will be option number 3. Next question. Who made the following statement? Life of law is not logic. It is experience. Option number 3, O.W. Holmes. Next question. Which jurist gave the classification of the source of law as binding and persuasive? Option number 1, Keaton. Next question. Extraordinary remedies under Article 32 and 226, correct? Appeals to Supreme Court under Article 132 to 135, correct? Appeals to High Court under Article 139 to 139A, wrong. Transfer of cases to Supreme Court under Article 139B, wrong. Advisory jurisdiction under Article 143, correct. So answer will be option number 2. Next question, match the following. State of Rajasthan versus G. Chandra, pit and substance. K.T. Mupil Nair versus State of Kerala, culpable legislation. O.N. Mahindru versus Bar Council of Maharashtra and Goa, harmonious construction. M. Karunanidhi versus Union of India, repugnance. So answer will be option number 4. Next question, assertion. The Supreme Court in Devdutt versus Union of India emphasizes that now transparency and good governance has been added as a new dimension to natural justice, which includes the duty to give reason. Correct? Reason reassures that discretion has been exercised by decision maker on relevant grounds and by disregarding extraneous consideration. Correct? So answer will be option number 1, as R is the correct explanation of A. Next question. As per Salmon, there are 4 distinct kinds of rights: liberties, rights, power, immunities. Kindness नहीं होता, so answer will be option number 2. Next question. Which one of the following is incorrect? Patents are granted to encourage invention. Correct. Protection and enforcement of patents contribute to technological innovations. Correct. Patented invention shall be available at reasonable affordable price. Correct. The invention shall be published before applying for patent. Wrong. So answer will be option number 4. Next question. Which of the following select combination of words from the preamble of the Constitution of India is correct order? Option number 2, fraternity assuring dignity. Next question. Who made the statement that jurisprudence is the study and systematic arrangement of the general principles of law? Option number 3, Keaton. Next question. The principle of just cognizance is incorporated in which article of Vienna Convention on Law of Treaties 1969? It's option number 3, Article 53. Just cognizance is a Latin term meaning compiling law. Refer to fundamental principles of international law that cannot be violated and set aside by treaties or agreement. Next question about administrative tribunals. Supreme Court recommended in 2010 Madras Bar Association case, the tribunal should not become post-retirement heaven for civil servants. Correct? Members of tribunals should be independent person and not serving civil servants. Correct? Members of tribunal should retain lien in any government department. Wrong. The tribunal should resemble more the courts and not bureaucratic boards. Correct. The tribunals must depend on government for infrastructure facilities. Wrong. So answer will be option number 4. Next question. With regards to cruelty under Hindu Marriage Act 1955, the following holds true. It is very difficult to define cruelty which can fit in all circumstances. Correct. Cruelty can be physical and mental. Correct. Intention plays an important role in case of on cruelty. Wrong. Cruelty should be aimed at the petitioner. Wrong. The act complained of must be that of the respondent. Wrong. So answer will be option number 2. Next question. I promise to pay rupees 5,000 and to deliver to him my black horse on 1st January next. This is an illustration for which of the following? Option number 2, an invalid promissory note. Next question. The Berne Convention 1886 deals with. Option number 1, copyright law. Next question. Which of the following cases the Supreme Court observed that the noise pollution cannot be tolerated even if such noise was direct result and of was connected with religious activities? It's option number 3, Church of God in India versus KKR Majestic Colony Welfare Association. Next question. Uniting for Peace resolution was passed in 1950. Correct. Uniting for Peace resolution was passed by General Assembly. Correct. Uniting for Peace resolution was passed by Security Council. Wrong. Maintenance of international peace and security is primary responsibility of Security Council. Correct. Maintenance of international peace and security is primary responsibility of General Assembly. Wrong. So answer will be option number 1. Next question. By which writ the decision of the highest tribunal of state can be revised? It's option number 3, certiorari. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन मैच द फॉलोइंग. वैसे तो इस क्वेश्चन के अंदर मेंशन नहीं किया गया कि कौन से एक्ट की बात हो रही है, बट इसमें इंडियन कॉन्ट्रैक्ट एक्ट के सेक्शंस गिवन है. अनसाउंडनेस ऑफ माइंड सेक्शन 12, फ्रॉड सेक्शन 17, फ्री कंसेंट सेक्शन 14, competency to contract section 11. So answer will be option number 2. Next question, match the following. Kyoto Treaty on Climate Change 1997, International Convention on Protection of the Rights of All Migrant Workers and Members of their Family 1990, SAARC Accord on Extradition 1987, WTO came into force in the year 1995. So answer will be option number 1. Next question. Assertion. The Criminal Law Amendment Act 2013 was a result of a public outrage. Correct. Society forces the law to accept the change. Correct. So answer will be option number 1 as R is the correct explanation of A. Next question. Match the following. Rule of strict liability, Reland versus Fletcher. Publication of defamatory statement, defamatory representation made in some permanent form. Libel, vis major, act of God. So answer will be option number 3. Next question. With respect to daughters under class 1 heirs in the Hindu Succession Act 1956, which one of the following holds true? It's option number 3. Daughter includes posthumous daughter. Next question. Which one of the heirs is not included in class 1 heirs under Hindu Succession Amendment Act 2005? It's option number 3. Son of the predeceased son of a predeceased daughter. It's class 2 heirs. Next question. For state legislature, constitutional provisions for special address of the governor is in Article 176. Correct. For state legislature, the constitutional provisions for oath or affirmation by members is in 109. Wrong. It's Article 188. For state legislature, the special procedure in respect of money bill is covered in Article 198. Correct. for state legislature provisions as to introduction and passing of bills is given in Article 196, correct? For state legislature, provisions for disqualification of members are given in Article 190. Wrong. It's Article 191. So answer will be option number 4. Next question. Indicate the chronological order of the following. Genocide Convention 1948, Warsaw Pact 1955, Montreal Convention of Hijacking 1971, UN Convention on Rights of the Child 1989, Vienna Convention on Diplomatic Relations 1961. So answer will be option number 3. Next question. Article 2.4 of UN Charter contains the proposition of the unilateral use of the force or threat theory by states in their international relations. Correct? There are no exceptions to the above. Wrong. UN Charter makes an exception to Article 2.4 in individual and collective self-defense as in Article 51. Correct? States may use or encourage the use of economic political measures to coerce another state. Wrong. States have a duty to refrain from propaganda for wars of aggression. Correct? So answer will be option number 3. This was the last question of the video. Whenever you are preparing for UGC NET, do refer PYQs as it helps to revise. And you can also understand the pattern of the paper. UGC NET में काफी बार repeated questions आते हैं. So please do refer PYQs and thank you so much for watching.